Hello, it's Esther here. Day 5 of our Boosting Our LinkedIn profile. Today we're going to be looking at how we can use the voice pronunciation option, which you can see with this little speaker on my profile here. Now the only way that we can upload this is like with our video profile yesterday, we can only do it through an app. So on the app on LinkedIn, you need to get your profile up, as you can see here, and go to the little pencil icon on the top right. And then you'll have all of your info coming down here, and you'll see a speaker icon that says name pronunciation and your audio recording. You can choose whether you show this to all LinkedIn members or just to your connections. So if we click your audio recording and we click the,
I'm Esther and I work with small businesses.
you can hear my audio recording, and you can click the pencil and you can either record a new pronunciation or delete your existing one. Now you only have 10 seconds to record your name pronunciation, but remember, if you read the caption on today's post, on today's video, you'll have lots of other things that you can include in your 10 seconds apart from your name pronunciation. So check it out and I'll see you tomorrow.